Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 3S and I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the back button to open the menu. After the menu opens, scroll down and tap on the settings option. Here, scroll down and find the option called the system and tap on it. Now, scroll down and find the option called connectivity and select it, and here tap on the Wi-Fi option. Now, find the option called My Networks and select it, and right here you can tap on Search for Networks. The watch will start looking for the nearby networks, and once it finds some networks, you can find the list. As you can see, select the network you like to connect to by tapping on it, and then you will need to enter the password, and you can do it on the phone or on the watch. I'm gonna enter the password on the watch, so give me a couple of seconds. And of course, once you enter the password, you will need to tap on the check mark to confirm. And once you enter the password correctly, it should say connected, and the network should appear right here on the list of My Networks. And once you're done, you can press go back, or rather press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.